How are y'all today? I'm about to show you how to make a leave-in conditioner with bamboo extract and tea tree oil that's softening and helps to improve the manageability of the hair. Now, don't click off, girl. You're about to see some good stuff, okay?
Each of us has certain interests which we need to share with others.
As y'all know, if you've been watching the videos, bamboo extract is said to help strengthen the hair over time. Bamboo extract can be found in everything from shampoos and conditioners to face masks and gels. Tea tree oil is said to have slight antimicrobial properties. It's used to help keep the scalp healthy, allegedly.
Let's watch how this is done.
Use distilled water, of course. Tap water and purified water may actually contain substances that could interfere with certain ingredients or accelerate emulsion deterioration. Propanediol is a humectant and petroleum-based glycol alternative. It helps add gloss to the actual product and is said to help boost the efficacy of preservatives. That means it's said to help your preservative system work better. Glycerin is one of the best and cheapest humectants you can use. The addition of propanediol helps combat any stickiness that glycerin may or may not cause at 3%. BTMS 50 is a conditioning emulsifier that immediately softens the hair when you apply a product containing it. For me, it's the gold standard of conditioners, like I've always said, but some people don't like it. In the future, I'll be experimenting with more conditioning ingredients that don't involve bihydramonium.
Let's see if we can explain it.
I am adding it directly into the water-soluble ingredients at room temperature. Yes, I am. Now, BTMS, both 50 and 25, have the ability to turn your process into a one-pot process. To do this, normally you'd add the oil phase ingredients to the heated water phase. No, it's more convenient for me to do it this way, and BTMS is a very forgiving ingredient. It just works like it's supposed to. Acetyl alcohol is a thickener used to increase the viscosity of the product without giving it a heavy, waxy, draggy feeling. I mean, unless you use way too much. Where have you been? The full video was available for everyone for a few days before it was squirreled away for CURLYTEA.com subscribers. You can still see the full video if you become a subby at CURLYTEA.com. This and all the other videos, recipes, formulas, instructions, my notes, and everything else are immediately available. I mean, unless the rights have been purchased by one of the subscribers at the website, of course. But don't get mad, sis. Don't get mad. There's even an option to become a one-time access subscriber where you can decide when you want access to the available information. Come check it out. Links are in the description. Now, I do it this way because YouTube stay tripping, as y'all know. This channel is not monetized or sponsored, and I'm trying to help as many people as I can, as much as I can, on their journey to create their own hair care and skincare, whether they want to start their own businesses in the future or if they just want to be able to select every single ingredient in the products that they put on their hair and their skin. So please consider becoming a subby today.
The design is complete, but will it work?
Now this is before the color. You can stop here if you don't want to add any color. The final product is creamy, it's glossy, softening, and it feels good on my curls. It's best used on damp or wet hair though. As the hair is drying, you can sort of feel the softness come out. My hair is soft for multiple days after the initial application. Try not to skip the murro butter, okay? It will give you a little shine. Let's add a little soft green color to match the bamboo and tea tree theme. I'm shaking this bottle like mad because the contents actually settle over time, so you have to shake. Keep going with the color. This is barely noticeable. See how it's a supple, soft green color? Let me adjust the light so I can show it to you better. There's something about this tint of green that I really, really love, especially for hair and skincare products.
Looks like a good investment to me.
Are you through already?
Making this formula was kind of quick. I mean, I finished this quicker than expected. It has something to do with the one pot process of literally just dumping everything right into the same vessel and heating it to the desired temperature. I used the soft green to fit into the theme of the bamboo and tea tree, but you can keep the original color now. It works just the same. Anyway, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes and formulas, including instructions, my notes, and other information. Click on one of the video links on your screen right now for more, or join us at CURLYTEA.com to see everything that's available. I'll talk to you guys soon.